message here is to be a responsible pet owner. Please do your research before buying any pet. If you realize you cannot take care of them anymore, just never ever release them into the wild, especially when they're exotic species. You don't really know what effect that might be having on the ecosystem. But they can be a great fun. They are very intelligent. You can just teach them a lot of tricks. You just have to make sure that you have the time and energy to look after them. So while we're having fun with Sheila here, now that sadly brings me to the end of the show, I just have a couple things to say before you guys go. Firstly, before you leave our park, just make sure that you go to our reception to try some free honey. And the next Kiwi encounter, as I mentioned before, is in Kiwi House 2 at 12 o'clock. It's just a small family-owned wildlife sanctuary. All the work that we do here is completely funded by you guys. So a big thank you.
What is that, Sarah? Can you show me the equipment you're using?
Chief of the forest. Who is that?
Which way do we go? Mama, look, there's one over there.
Yes.
Oh, sorry.
I know.